Hello friends, thanks for buying Amardeep baby tricycle. So now I'll just go through the procedure for the assembly of this tricycle. It's pretty simple. First let's go to the parts. This is the front wheel, the steering handle, the front face handle, it's a good handle, the shade, the backrest, the backrest, the body. I'll just show it to you. Body with the footrest. Okay, this is the complete body, the top part, the basket, two back wheels, parental control pipe, and these are steering rod and the axle. This is the basket and this is the packet of the nut bolts. So I'll just go through the assembly procedure. Hi. Firstly, we'll start with the body. We'll have to assemble this handle to this body. So firstly, I'll just unscrew this screw. Okay. It's easy. It's out. Then you may have to widen this gap a little bit with a hammer or anything you like. It won't break. It's very easy. We'll have to fit this particular cylinder into this hole provided. We'll do it like this. It should go inside very easily. If it's not going, you can widen the gap and then assemble it. Now this pin has to go through these holes. I cannot show you the hole right now. But this goes like this. And on top, first time fitting, so it's a bit hard. It's supposed to be this way. To show you, it has gone through this thing. Okay. What you will have to do is you have just screw this again in this using a screwdriver normal. That's enough. After this, we'll assemble this front wheel to the bottom area. First unscrew these screws, remove these screws, keep it safe. The holes should match. Once they are aligned, you can put in the screw. Just bring it close. The holes should be aligned like this. Okay. For the footrest, you will have to remove this screw, this bolt. Okay, put this out. After that, it's done. Now we go ahead with the back wheels. That's also pretty simple. This is the axle that you have got. Just remove the pin. Put out all the fittings. Firstly, it's one iron washer, one plastic bush. Put it through the wheel. The second bush, plastic bush, totally into the wheel. Iron washer. Then a spring. Another washer. Now this axle has to go through this body part. Put another washer, spring, washer, plastic bush, then the wheel, then again the plastic bush, the iron washer and the pin. Now the tricycle should look like this. I'll just show it to you. It's almost complete. You just have to fit the back handle and parental control handle and the basket, then the plastic bag. I'll just do that. Now what we'll do is we'll take this control rod, remove the nut, fit this in this hole, down hole. I'll put this right through and rotate it. That's it. It's very simple. Now this part. Firstly, remove these bolts. This plastic bush and the nut bolt for the bush. Now we're gonna push this rod through this hole. What you can do is you can just put this wire into this hole. Done. just screw the bolt. After this, we'll put this plastic bush. No, first the basket. Just to go through it. After that, this plastic bush. A small screw goes through the hole where it was originally placed. Through. Yeah, it's done. Now it's time to open these the packet provided for the nut bolts. You will be needing these two large bolts with the washers. So we'll do this through the washer to the basket. In between, I'll put this washer, plastic bush. And just done. The other side. How this look like. This should look like this. Assembled through this, then bolted underneath. Same on the other side. Now we need to put this on the control pipe. Just align the screws and put the screws back that we had removed earlier. Easy. Through. Now it's the last part is left. I'll just remove this cardboard cover. Now about this shade, we need to unscrew this, both of them. Just put this plastic shade, I'll show it to you, in this hole, this one and this one. Okay. Should easily fit in. You have to put these plastic screws back at the bottom of the body. This done. Sorry. Done. About this plastic shade, the smaller loop in the inside, and just put this again, and the larger loop on the outside. Shade is also fixed. Cycle is almost complete. You just need to put these bushes, these caps on these. Done. On the other side. Done neatly. Now your tricycle should look like this. I'll just show it to you. This is the complete assembled tricycle that you have bought. For the batteries, for the music system, you will have to remove this screw, and place the batteries inside, which are not provided with the package. You will have to buy it yourself. I'll just unscrew it. Leave it. You will have to unscrew this screw and then put the pencil cells, AA cells into it, 2 cells. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. It was nice. Okay, bye bye.